If you're recording that, I'm gonna expose you to be a Cinderella.
It's okay, just do it.
Okay.
Okay, never mind.
No!
Sorry, I stopped it.
Come here. Yes. Ow!
Jordan, you want to be on video? Hey, Jordan. Happy B-Day. B-Day, you get it? B-Day.
The mini marshmallows hit. The mini marshmallows go and then they run.
Trisha, what are you saying about mini marshmallows? Speak louder so they could hear.
Mini marshmallows! I hurt my arm. Can't you see it's pain? And after Nikki expects me to go all the way over there, which I will in 5 seconds. Hurt my feelings. What do you want? What are you doing? This is my spotlight.
Hi, didn't get on video.
Hate spotlight. My only one. That's where I'll go. And I'll go with the mermaid. You go fly to the other mermaid and say, let's go fish in the sea and get some fish. But we're tuna, not a fish. Smart, Spartakins. Use your knowledge. You need to use the knowledge. So I have to speak this out because I need to. AKA need to. She's right in back of me.
Ow! Sorry. I hope you got that. I hope it was on camera.
Okay, we want me to say that all the time. I'm so sorry, Ate. Come back.
Come back. Okay.